Welcome back to Subtech Online. It's me again, Sabit Christopher, to take you through this simple trick in Excel, how to add leading zero on numbers. We have found a challenge always, like phone numbers in Uganda where it is 07 this, and making those entries in Excel always drop the leading zero. How do you make sure that a leading zero is always sustained on a number or in a cell? So if I try to insert a leading zero, automatically it drops off the moment you enter. So this means that this is in number format. But how do we make this to remain in number format but still we have the zero? So the first step is you go to home, you go to number format, you click that option for the number format cells, or you can do a control 1. Will give you those options. You go to customize. Now where there is journal, delete that journal, put zeros until you see the sample is having a leading zero. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the moment I do that, you'll see it is having, the sample is having a zero. If you add the 11th one, it will get 2 zeros. So I want 1 0, I'll do OK, and automatically boom, you're done. Thank you. Please make sure you leave a thumbs up if this one has been helpful, and don't forget to click that red button to subscribe and the notification bell. Bye bye, meet you in another video.